Wow, what is this, Noah?
This is Ben and Flex Captain America.
Wow, show me.
See, it says Ben and Flex.
Yeah, Ben and Flex, Captain America,
Yeah.
Marvel Avengers.
Are you ready to open this?
Yeah, let's open it.
What's coming out?
Yeah. Wow, what's inside? Show me. Captain America. Whoa. Wow, show me.
And like this. Captain America.
Wow, what's that?
This is let me take it out.
Oh.
Can you bend them?
You can bend. Oh,
Look at
wow.
Shoot
Can you take
this.
it off? The shield?
Yeah. You only put the shoot in the hand.
Yeah. Take it with your hand.
With the
Wow, that's so cool.
Look at you remove this one as well.
Oh, it could swing around.
Hydra.
Wow, it could swing around.
If this awesome shield I can do like this.
Yeah. You can stand up as well.
Yeah, with this one.
Wow.
And look at this.
Wow, that's a cool action one, Noah. Yeah?
Yeah. You can take off this one. You take off this.
Okay.
And you can take off this as well. Look at this, right? Look at right here. And you can do this like this.
Wow.
And they can take back
See?
without a shield. I just hide if you see your body, you punch like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
Because you can put a sheet there because it's not open, it's
Yeah.
closed. But this one is closed. It's not closed.
That's
Yeah.
why he has a shield on.
Yeah, because that's why Catamara's need to hold like this.
Yeah. Wow, it could bend in all different
Look
directions.
at put a sheet in the back.
Look at that. Show me.
And
Oh, he could give a kick as well.
can look at this. Now she can do it.
Ow!
Look at this. With this awesome shield, I can get this. Spin around in the shield. I spin. Nope.
Ow!
Yeah. Like this, and like this. Take a body up as well. Watch.
Okay. Wow, that's so cool.
Then you can put it back.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah, look at this.
Oh.
Look at this. Look at this.
Wow. It's very flexible, isn't it?
Yes, and look at this.
Wow. Could bend. Wow. Can you do the split? Oh. Oh, could flip as well. Great. How high can he kick?
Okay, like this.
Oh.
Oh, she's stuck. Kick.
Wow.
And if I cannot need my shoe without my shoe. This shoe cool.
Wow, I like the shell. Whoa. Captain America.
And this, and spin around and jump.
Wow.
Take this.
Oh,
Look at this. You put it, this big right here, and you put it like this.
Wow. In one leg.
Yeah.
One leg.
Yeah, because it's colored this one.
Wow.